Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G22 and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate of this Nokia. Begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access Display. Following that, just scroll all the way down and click on Screen Refresh Rate. Lastly, tap on the best option for you, Adaptive or Standard. I will go with Standard, so when I click and go back, I can set screen refresh rate of my Nokia has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!